Assalamu alaikum. Today I am excited to show you a beautiful neck design that you can create for a shirt, whether it's printed or plain. This design is very easy to make, even for beginners. I am creating this design on the neck of a shirt. For this, I have taken a 7-inch wide piece of fabric and added fuse paper to the back for stability. You can adjust the length of the design according to your preference for the neck area. Let's begin. I have marked and drawn several 1.5-inch square boxes on the fabric. Next, we will cut along these markings, although you can make fabric triangles separately. I find this method much easier. Once the fabric is cut into the shapes, we will fold each piece to create a triangle. See how simple it is to form these triangle shapes? I will prepare 2 sets of these triangle designs. For the base, I have chosen a brown fabric, but you can use any color that matches your shirt's fabric. I folded the base fabric and made a crease down the middle. The fabric triangles are then aligned and placed so they sit perfectly in the center. After positioning the triangle, I stitch them onto the base fabric. While attaching this second triangle, make sure the tips of the 2 triangles meet. Once the triangles are secured, trim any extra fabric from the sides for a clean finish. To enhance the design, I have added pearl along the middle of the triangle. This not only prevents the triangle flowers from lifting but also adds a beautiful touch. Now that the design is ready, I will place it in the center of the shirt and stick all 4 sides securely. Leave about 6 inches of space from the top of the shirt to allow for the neck design. For the neck, I have created a basic neckband and attached it to the shirt. To elevate the design further, I have added lace along both sides of the neckline. And that's it. Your standing neck design is complete. Let me know how you like this design in the comments. If you want to see more unique and creative designs, don't forget to follow Stich Muse. Feel free to customize the print and color combination to match your shirt style. Happy stitching! Allah Hafiz!